Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the relative stabilities of the carbon ion. Okay, this is the topic of discussion, explanation for the relative stability of carbon ions. So in this video lecture we discuss about the different types of carbon ions and their stabilities, the stability orders among them, stability among the carbon ions. So we start the discussion about this topic, and before starting this discussions I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it now. Okay, so let's start our discussion about the explanation for the relative stability of the carbon ions. You know, for the carbon ions, this is a tertiary carbon ions, this is secondary carbon ions, this is primary, and this is also primary methyl carbon ion. So for this primary, secondary and tertiary carbon ions, look at their order of stability. Tertiary is least stable. Okay, tertiary is least stable. The secondary is more stable than tertiary, and primary is more stable than secondary. Methyl radical is more stable then allyl radical. This one is allyl and this one is benzyl. Benzyl, this one primary, secondary, tertiary, primary, secondary, tertiary, secondary, primary, and methyl carbon ion, and this one allyl carbon ion, this one is benzyl. So among this carbon ion, different types of carbon ion, we are seeing the order of the this is the order of or you can say increasing order of this is the increasing order of stability of carbon ions. This is increasing order of stability of carbon ions, increasing order. In this order, the stability of carbon ions, different carbon ions are increasing. So tertiary carbocation is least stable, and the benzyl carbocation, this is carbon ion. Tertiary carbon ion is the least stable one, and the benzyl carbon ion is the most stable. So in this video we discuss about the explanation for or reason for this order of stability. The first reason is inductive effect. First reason is for inductive effect. We erase these two, one allyl and benzyl radical. We discuss about this allyl and benzyl radical separately. Okay, at first we discuss about this primary, secondary, tertiary and primary and methyl carbon ion. So in this type of carbon ion, what is the order of inductive effect? Look at here, the alkyl group, 3 alkyl groups are attached with this negatively charged carbon. So this is called carbon ion. Carbon bears a negative charge. This type of carbon ions are formed during the course of organic reactions, and these carbon ions are highly reactive, and they consume after they form, they consume in the next step of the reaction. So in the course of organic reactions, this type of reactive intermediates are formed. And if we find the order of stability or order of reactivity of this carbon ion, these are just opposite. Order of stability and order of reactivity are just opposite. Means here tertiary is least reactive, least stable, and primary is most stable. So for order of reactivity we consider which is least reactive means most stable. Least reactive means most stable. Okay, and most reactive means you can say least stable. most reactive means least stable, and least reactive means more stable. Okay, so order of stability and order of reactivity is just opposite to each other, which is most reactive is least stable and most stable least reactive. Okay, so if we consider the explanation of the inductive effect, for this case the 3 alkyl group is operating plus I effect, plus I inductive effect. In case of the tertiary carbanion, the 3 methyl group or 3 alkyl group operating the plus I inductive effect, and due to this plus I or electron releasing inductive effect, the electron density on this negatively charged carbon is increased. As a result, this one becoming more reactive, and more reactive means least stable. It has lower stability because of more increase of the density of the negative charge on the carbanion carbon atom. But in case of the secondary, you know, this 2 methyl groups releasing the electron to the negative charge carbon. So for this reason, here the electron density in case of carbanion carbon is lesser than the tertiary. And in this case you are seeing that for the case of primary, just only one alkyl group or one methyl group is present, electron donating group is present. So here the electron density is lesser than the secondary, and here no methyl group or alkyl group is attached. So electron density does not increase on the negative charge carbon. So as the electron density on negative charge carbon is higher, in the case of tertiary, it is becoming more reactive due to the more magnitude of the negative charge on this carbanion carbon atom. If the carbanion carbon is less negative charge, or electron density in the carbanion carbon is lesser, that time carbanion becomes stable. And if it is more it has more electron density on the carbanion carbon, then it is becoming less stable or least stable. Okay, least stable, here it is least stable due to the maximum electron density or high electron density on the carbanion carbon. So this can be explained using the inductive effect, that the order of stability of carbanions are tertiary is the least stable carbanions and most reactive. This is the increasing order of stability of carbanion, and you can say if we make the order of reactivity, then it becomes inverse, means this tertiary carbanion is the most reactive carbanions. So using this concept of inductive effect, you can explain the order of stability of carbanions. Next we have to understand that if there is any attachment of such group that can withdraw the electron from the carbanion, then the order of stability of carbanion increase. Suppose for example, for the case of benzyl carbanion, what happens? This negative charge is withdrawn by the benzene ring, and as a result this negative charge is withdrawn by the benzene or group, or sorry, this is not benzene, this is called phenyl group. So phenyl group withdraws the electron from the CH2, and as a result this negative charge is magnitude of negative charge reduces due to the electron withdrawing of the phenyl group. Okay, phenyl group withdraws the electron from the CH2 group, CH2 minus. Electron density on this carbon is decreases due to the electron withdrawing of the phenyl group. In the next case you can find another resonance structure. You can find this resonance structure of this benzyl. This is called benzyl. This is called benzyl carbanion, and in the case of benzyl carbanion, this type of resonance structures can be found. So due to this resonance of the CH2 minus, this minus charge is resonating with the phenyl group that is attaching with the CH2 group. So due to this resonance, this negative charge is distributed. So for this reason, the electron density in this carbon atom is decreased, electron density. So for this reason, if we attach more phenyl group with it, suppose this one and this one, if we attach more phenyl group with it, then more contributing structure or more resonating structure form, and more electron density on carbon reduces. Okay, more reduction of the electron density of this carbon occurs by using the more number of phenyl group attaching with the carbanion carbon, the carbon which bear negative charge. So in this way we can find the order of stability of the benzyl carbanion. And next, in case of the allyl carbanion, for the case of allyl carbanion like this one carbon bears negative charge. So in this case, this type of resonance structures or canonical structures can be formed. Okay, so for this reason you can see this negative charge is distributed on other carbon atoms of the molecule. So as a result, the negative charge density on the carbanion carbon reduces due to the distribution of its negative charge to the other carbons in the molecule. So as a result, the stability of the allyl free radical allyl carbanion is more than the primary, secondary and tertiary carbanion. This one have the resonance possibility, and due to this resonance, this one means reducing the negative charge density on the on this carbon atom. So for this reason, these are called allyl carbanion. So for the allyl carbanion case, the stability is achieved by the resonance stabilization for the allyl carbanion. Okay, next point is about look at this carbanion where the carbon bearing negative charge is sp hybridized. Here it is sp2 hybridized, and here it is sp3 hybridized. Okay, so if the hybridization is sp, that time more s character is more in this case, and more s character means more close to the nucleus, more attraction and less reactive. So less reactive, and for this reason the order of stability of this type of carbanion is like this, because s character is more means this one is more closer to more attraction of the nucleus. S character more means more closer to the nucleus. As a result, the order of stability order of stability increases, and for this reason these carbanion have the more highest stability compared to this type of other carbanions. Here S character is more close to the nucleus, more less reactive, and for this reason the order of stability is like this. So this is the complete discussion about the stabilities of various type of carbanions that we can found in that we can be found as organic in organic chemistry as reactive intermediate or reaction intermediate. So thank you for watching this discussion. If you find this discussion is useful for you, then you can like this video, and if you find this channel is useful for you or you can learn something from this channel, then you can subscribe this channel.